In this video, we are going to solve a very important question of exercise 8.2, question number 3. The question is, if 10 a plus b is equal to root 3 and 10 a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3, where 0 degree is less than a plus b is less than equal to 90 degree and angle A greater than angle B, then we have to find the value of A and B. Now children, here one thing you have to keep in mind, that when we are given the values of 10 with some specific values, so these values we have to replace with the value of 10. Now if we are given the ratio of 10, then 10 has to be compared with 10. If we are given here sine, we will compare it with sine. If we are given cos, we will compare with cos. So here 10 a plus b is equal to now we know that in the table of 10, root 3 is the value of 10 60 degree. So in place of root 3 we can write 10 60 degree, since 10 60 degree is equal to root 3, and 10 a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. Now 1 upon root 3 is the value of 10 30 degree, since 10 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Children, you can see here I have compared 10 with the value of 10 only. It may happen like sometime when you are given any value, maybe 10 sine or cos, when you will find that same value in another relation also, but you have to make sure that 10 has to be compared with 10 only, sine is to be compared with sine, and cos with cos. Now by comparing the ratio of 10 a plus b with 10 60 degree, if we cancel 10 from both sides, we get a plus b is equal to 60. Again here also, if we cancel 10 from both sides, we get a minus b is equal to 30. So here we get two equations. A plus b is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree, which we can solve by method of elimination. So here you can see plus b and minus b cancels. A plus a is equal to 2a, which is equal to 60 plus 30, that is 90 degree. That implies a is equal to 90 upon 2. So we get a is equal to 45 degree. Let us put this value of a in equation number 1 or equation number 2, your choice. So I am putting it in equation number 1. Equation 1 is a plus b is equal to 60 degree. That implies, as a is 45 degrees, so 45 plus b is equal to 60. That implies b is equal to 60 minus 45. That implies b is equal to 15 degree. So the answer is a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree. Now here you have to make one thing sure. As per the condition we are given, angle a greater than b, so a is greater than b, and sum of a plus b, which is less than equal to 90. Here sum of a plus b is 60 degree, which is less than 90. In these questions, children, we have to keep one thing in mind, that these answers should verify the relation which we are given in the question. Okay.